Oh, you beat me here. Welcome back to the Innovation Center. Today, we'll be exploring the industrial side. Don't forget your safety glasses. The other day, when we were exploring the clean side of the Innovation Center, you guys got to see our first major piece of CNC equipment in the water jet. Today, in the industrial side, we're going to get to see our other pieces of major CNC equipment, starting with our CNC router, our plasma cutter, our mill, and our lasers. Our students get the opportunity to use this machinery to create their projects, like our students' trebuchet in their physics class. This is our thin gauge metal corner. This equipment gives our students the opportunity to work with rolling, bending, and forming thinner metal. This is our hot shop area. Here, our students get a chance to learn the basics of welding. They also get a chance to learn casting and forging, which also coincides with the largest club on campus, Forging Club. You might recognize these bad boys from Forged in Fire, our hydraulic hammer and our hydraulic press. Welcome to the final stop of the industrial section. This is our traditional cabinet shop, home for all your woodworking needs. One of the unique purposes of this room is our made-up Morrison projects that allow students and members of the community to come in and build something so they can take it home and learn a few useful skills, like our trusty salad tongs and our woodworking mallets. As always, it's been a pleasure, and we really appreciate you stopping by. But make sure you stay tuned for the next episode for the Creative Corridor.